Looking for an exciting and easy-to-fly drone that's perfect for young pilots and beginners? The RC UFO Drone, a 4-axis flying saucer with built-in lights, is definitely worth checking out. Made from durable, anti-fall foam material and featuring induction control, this quadcopter is designed with kids in mind. Packed with fun features? This 6.6-inch diameter UFO drone isn't just for simple flying, it's capable of performing awesome stunts that kids will love. Watch it execute impressive circle flights, thrilling 3D flips, and cool auto rotations. Of course, it also handles all the basic maneuvers like flying forward, backward, turning left, right, and moving up and down. It's guaranteed to provide hours of entertainment and is an absolute winner as a birthday, Christmas, or holiday gift. Effortless flying for beginners. Getting this UFO drone airborne couldn't be simpler. With just a gentle press of the one-key takeoff button, it lifts into the air and automatically hovers at a stable altitude. The intuitive joysticks on the remote control make it easy for anyone, even complete beginners, to guide the drone precisely where they want it to go, up, down, or in any direction. Designed with safety in mind. Parents can feel confident about this drone thanks to its thoughtful safety features. The built-in paddle design acts as a protective cage around the spinning propellers, keeping little fingers safe and also safeguarding the propellers from bumps and collisions. Plus, there's an emergency stop button you can quickly press if the drone is about to hit something, adding an extra layer of security. Reliable remote control. The included 2.4 GHz remote control offers a generous control range of up to 80 meters, giving kids plenty of space to explore the skies. The advanced 2.4 GHz radio system is great for families and friends, as it allows multiple drones to be flown simultaneously without interfering with each other's signals. Get ready for some multiplayer flying fun. The perfect gift for any occasion. Whether it's a birthday, anniversary, Halloween, Thanksgiving, Christmas, or New Year, this cool RC UFO drone makes a fantastic gift. Its unique design and fun capabilities spark imaginative play and are sure to bring huge smiles to the faces of both boys and girls. What's in the box? The package comes complete with everything you need to get started. UFO drone. Remote control. 3 module batteries, ensuring longer flight time. USB charging cable. And manual. The mini UFO drone is an amazing toy specifically designed for children and beginners. With its easy controls, safety features, and fun flying capabilities, it's truly one of the best birthday and Christmas gifts you could give. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome tech and toy reviews.